Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. Today's video is going to be a very short one. I'm going to show you 3 ways to white balance your photos in Lightroom in 30 seconds, more or less. Let's get right into it. Are you focused? Okay, the first way to white balance your photos is to just use the color picker tool, find a neutral white spot in your photos, click, and done. That's the before and after. Second way to white balance your photos is to use a preset. I'm going to use the daylight preset, just like that, before and after. And then the third and final way to white balance your photos is a bit more dodgy, but trust me on this one. So you bring your vibrance and saturation all the way up, and then you try to match your RGB channels in the histogram, just like that. And then once you reset those 2 sliders, you will see that your photo is perfectly white balanced. Okay, and that's basically it. I'll put the photos on the screen right now so you can see the difference between the 3 ways of white balancing your photos. They're not all the same, but they are more or less on the same color temperature, and that's the important thing that you're going for, because in the end of the day, you will color correct and you will color grade your photos. So that's it for today's video. It's a very short one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you managed to get something out of it. Feel free to leave a like if you did. And I'll see you on the next video, which is next week. Stay tuned. Okay, take care. Bye.